Hello, in this chapter we're looking at eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells include the following. So animal and plant cells are examples of eukaryotic cells, animal and plant cells. Eukaryotic cells all have a cell membrane, a cytoplasm, and genetic material that is enclosed in a nucleus. The genetic material is a chemical called DNA, and this forms structures called chromosomes that are contained within the nucleus. All animals, including human beings, plants and fungi, and protista and eukaryotes, all include eukaryotic cells. So in contrast, what are prokaryotes? These are bacteria and are single-celled living organisms. They are examples of prokaryotes at 0.2 in length. Prokaryotes are 1 to 2 orders of magnitude smaller than the eukaryotes. You could fit hundreds of thousands of bacteria on the full stop at the end of this particular sentence. So you cannot see individual bacteria without a very powerful microscope. When you culture bacteria on a plate, you grow many millions of bacteria. This enables you to see the bacterial colony with your own naked eye, and this is exactly what the scientists actually do. So on the right-hand side, you can see an image, and this particular image shows you bacteria comes in a variety of size shapes, but they all have the same basic structure. And within the bacteria, they all have genetic materials, a cytoplasm, cell membrane, cell wall, plasmid, slime capsule around it, and also a flagella. Some bacteria have a protective slime capsule around the outside of the cell wall. Some types of bacterium have at least one flagellum. That is a long protein strand that lashes about. These bacteria use their flagella to move themselves around. And many bacteria have little or no effect on other organisms, and many are very useful. Some bacteria, however, are harmful. Bacteria can cause diseases in humans and other animals, and also in plants as well. They can also decompose and destroy stored food. So, for example, a loaf of bread that's been around for a few days will go off, and that's because the bacteria is decomposing the particular loaf of bread. And that means that the loaf of bread will go off, and it's not very healthy for us to eat. So you have eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, and remember the eukaryotic cells are all to do with examples of animal and plant cells, whereas the prokaryotes or prokaryotic cells are all examples of bacteria. That's the big contrast that you need to know between the two. And also, please do have a look at the image that we've just gone through, the image of a typical bacteria and what it looks like. And it will give you a good idea and example of contrasting the two various different types of cells together. Good luck with this. Thank you.